ladies and gentlemen. Today, the India bloc is on test over the issue of women's safety and security. From Kerala to Kannauj, the issue of women's security is haunting the India alliance. In Kerala, a Congress leader, Simi Rosabelle John, who served the Congress party for 37 years, has claimed that women who want to grow in the party have to endure exploitation. She named leader of opposition in Kerala Assembly, V.D. Satheesan, for humiliating, sidelining and repeatedly disrespecting her, and spoke of a casting couch in the past in Kerala Congress. Instead of ordering a probe, the party has expelled Simi Rosabelle. On the other hand, in Uttar Pradesh, Akhilesh's party and his DNA test demand has backfired. Dimple Yadav's close aide and former SP Neta Nawab Singh Yadav's DNA has now matched with that of the minor rape survivor. The BJP is now calling this India's Nyay for Nari model. Listen in to the war of words.
And I asked, they are telling, no, we are not going to give you the post. The opposition leader is from Ernakulam. He won't allow. No, you got it. You go and sit at home. He is telling me, he is insulting me. He insulted so many good ladies. Many of them are totally, because they don't want anything. They are not asking for Rajya Sabha. They are not asking for parliament. They are not asking for assembly. Not even for Jilla. But who is he to stop us?
नवाब सिंह को तो पार्टी से बहुत पहले ही सैक कर दिया गया था और हम जो कह रहे हैं कि सिर्फ नवाब सिंह की बात क्यों कर रहे हैं वो सारे मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट उत्तर प्रदेश से सबसे ज्यादा रेप के आरोपी भारतीय जनता पार्टी से मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हैं। ऐसा क्यों ना हो कि एक पूरा गंभीर बातचीत इस पे हो।
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the panel with Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, Anand Ranganathan and Ameek Jamai is Ravi Srivastava, political analyst. And Ravi Srivastava, I want to ask you this question. Shouldn't the Congress party have at least examined the charges that were made by Simi Rosabelle in Kerala? When she says that there is a casting couch, because after all, she's not the first woman to have complained. Priyanka Chaturvedi complained that eight people in the Congress had misbehaved with her. They were suspended and reinstated within a short period. So much disgust that she had to actually leave the party. Radhika Kheda, charges against B.V. Srinivas and Ankita Datta, the Youth Congress leader from Assam who made those charges, waited for the top leaders to listen in to her complaints. Nobody did anything, and she also left the Congress party. This time, a woman who complains is thrown out of the party. Is this justice Congress style?
It's a huge party and there is some kind of a discontentment every time, some leaders expressing this kind of, discriminatory attitude and all those things. But I think especially this Simi John case, this is Malayalam film industry, after Hema committee report, there is a casting couch charges against various actors. And I think she has picked up from there. But there is a lot of inconsistencies in
How dare you say that? How dare you say that without investigation? How dare you say something like this without an investigation? You are actually charging a woman that she cooked up charges. Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, isn't this disgusting? No investigation, no word from Priyanka Gandhi, nothing said by Rahul Gandhi, and now they are saying cooked up charges because Mollywood is going through something. So she's picked up a plot from that and made an allegation?
After a sequence of events in Congress from Priyanka Chaturvedi, Ankita Datta, Radhika Kheda, and now Simi Rosabelle John, the DNA test report has come in Uttar Pradesh, but Ravi Srivastava ji, whatever has said, the DNA of those who are even supporting the so-called India alliance has suddenly came in forefront of the people. Navika ji, remember during our childhood and teenage, in 80s, there used to be a plot in the movies कि वो जाके कहता था विलेन की मैं नहीं मानता कि इस बच्चे का बाप कौन है, जाओ तुम ये साबित करो। और वो पूरी फिल्म इसी पे चलती रहती थी कि वो हीरोइन अपनी इनोसेंट साबित करती थी। आज उसकी जरूरत नहीं है। द डीएनए टेस्ट कैन प्रूव एवरीथिंग इन फ्यू डेज। So is the case with these parties. Now within few minutes, Ravi Srivastava ji has exposed the DNA, and the DNA, the real political criminal DNA of Samajwadi Party has come. And on the issue of Simi Roswell John, neither she is woman nor she is minority. I would like to re-emphasize. और डरो मत। अब राहुल गांधी लड़की हूं, लड़ सकती हूं, और प्रियंका गांधी she is also going to contest for Wayanad, but यहां पर चुप रहने वाला। On the contrary, such type of heinous allegation and such type of you can say totally careless allegations कि समाजवादी पार्टी की लीडर ये कहती थी कि वो बच्ची 15 साल की क्या करने गई थी, कौन सी नौकरी मांगने गई थी शाम को नवाब सिंह यादव के पास। And Ravi Srivastava ji is saying like this, and Kerala has become a real laboratory of exposing the truth and DNA of the Congress and the left. I would like to remind, the Mollywood episode is just before that. And even before that, in the case of Love Jihad, it was the phrase was coined by none other than V.S. Achyutanandan, who was the Communist Party CM. And Mr. Omen Chandi on the floor of the House, who was the Congress Party CM.
Amik Jamai, Nawab Singh Yadav,
of all those
DNA test कहा था अखिलेश यादव ने, अब तो DNA test आ गया। What will you say about Nawab Singh Yadav? And shouldn't the Samajwadi Party today actually hang its head in shame in terms of service to women and justice for women that they promise?
देखिए नाविका मैम, आप जैसी सीनियर मतलब इस देश की शान जर्नलिस्ट से मैं ये उम्मीद नहीं करता हूं कि आप फैजाबाद पे मोहित खान के पे दिए हुए बयान को आप लाके पटक देंगी यहाँ पे कन्नौज में। मोहित खान के बारे में बात कही थी कि डीएनए कराइए, और हम आज भी समाजवादी पार्टी कह रही है उसका डीएनए कराइए, और पूरा उस लड़की के साथ न्याय होना चाहिए जो फैजाबाद की थी। और रही बात नवाब के मामले में, नवाब को कोई हम लोग तिरंगा पहनाने वाले नहीं है, नवाब को कोई फूल माला नहीं पहनाएंगे, नवाब का फोटो हर पार्टी के घर में नहीं लगेगा, नवाब को राष्ट्रवादी नहीं बताया जाएगा, नवाब को ये नहीं कहा जाएगा।
Anand Ranganathan, what kind of a defense is this, Anand Ranganathan? Well, we seem to have lost that. And Sudhanshu Trivedi, ये कौन सा डिफेंस है? ये कौन सा डिफेंस है?
मेरी बात पूरी नहीं होती है, आप हमेशा डाइवर्ट कर देते हैं।
समय कम है
मैम, ये ठीक
हुजूर समय कम है ना।
अच्छा बोल लीजिए, बोलिए।
नहीं मत 10 सेकंड। ये भागवत बोरा है, डॉक्टर सुधांशु पार्टी का संस्कारी लड़का है, बीजेपी का मंडल अध्यक्ष, 13 साल की बच्ची का छेड़छाड़ का आरोपी। लेकिन सुधांशु जी के जबान पर नाम नहीं आएगा। भागवत बोरा का उत्तराखंड का, बड़े बड़े मंत्रियों के साथ उसकी फोटो है, आ रहा जा रहा है। हम तो कह रहे हैं नवाब सिंह को फांसी पे टांग दो। ममता बनर्जी साहिबा ने दीदी ने जो वेस्ट बंगाल की असेंबली में एंटी रेप कानून लाई है, कहे सुधांशु त्रिवेदी।
ओके अमित जमाई, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड।
This type of defense which Amit Jamai ji is trying to give, it would have been better for Samajwadi Party to decide that they will not come in the debate. ये प्योरली सपाई स्टाइल है,
इतना टाइम है,
बिल्कुल समाजवादी पार्टी स्टाइल का आपका डिफेंस है। मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी स्थिति में इट वुड हैव बीन बेटर दैट विद ह्यूमिलिटी एंड हम्बलनेस यू शुड हैव सेड that he should be taken to the task rather than these type of giving incidents. और आप पश्चिम बंगाल की क्या बात कर रहे हैं? वहां तो कहा जा रहा है उंगली तोड़ दी जाएगी जो ममता बनर्जी की तरफ देखेंगे। यह कौन कह रहा है? मिनिस्टर गुहा, और जो एमपी है मिस्टर अरूप चक्रवर्ती, वो कह रहे हैं अंजाम भुगतना पड़ेगा। और सुनिए, जो चीफ मिनिस्टर कह रही है पूरे देश में दंगा हो जाएगा, आग लगा देंगे।
All I can say at this moment is simply this: when it comes to women and their rights and justice for women, Congress party throws women out even before they investigate the charges made by them. And it's not one case we are talking about. It has happened repeatedly. And when it comes to their alliance partners, well, the Samajwadi Party, well, the Trinamool Congress, none of them will take up the entire issue. They will stay silent and support each other. Support of silence. But if it is a BJP-ruled state, well, politics reaches its pinnacle and crescendo. Is this how women are served in this country? Why is Rahul Gandhi quiet tonight on the issue of Simi Rosabelle John? Why is Ladki Hoon, Lad Sakti Hoon not talking about Simi? Isn't she going to contest from Kerala, the state where Simi Rosabelle John has spent 37 years in the Congress party? Why is there so much deafening silence from the Congress party tonight? Is the question we're all asking. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night and be safe.